Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the holiday season, it's Christmas time, it's Vlogmas time, which I had no plans to do, but here we are. Um, as you see, we're unboxing the new tree. It's a 7.5 feet pre-lit Jasper Cashmere tree that I got at Michael's. And enjoy, subscribe.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. That warm place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street crier caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. the rest of the